Don't try to understand 100% of your upcoming business. We spoke on this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it, please find the link in the description. You are not an entrepreneur if you are seeking investors. You got a concept, prepared a prototype of that concept. You made an impressive presentation to impress the investor. Most of the investor seekers are struggling with the proportion like poor concept with good presentation and poor presentation with good concept. Investors doesn't seize all those at all. They see the proven track records of accounts and numbers. Means running idea with running revenues. Then they come to uplift you for the expansion by taking maximum stakes. Rare to purchase your idea at scratch level. Even if they purchase, then you are not the 100% owner of your own idea anymore. Is your idea really a multi-millionaire idea? If so, do you have a courage to sell your house for your own idea and invest for yourself? Then why should an investor lose money when you are not ready to lose and not confident on your product? Then why should an investor lose money when you are not ready to lose? Innovation means 99% of wonder and 1% of funding. It takes which you only can afford it. That's the sign of the entrepreneur. Lot of innovations started from garage and earned from own profits and used the same profits for the expansion. You are not an entrepreneur if you are seeking the investors. If you discover electricity, you just need a bulb to show it to the world. Your invention should have such a capacity. You can even reject the investors who are falling behind you and behind your product or behind your innovations. And you have a courage to invest yourself in a small cap and grow it step by step and enjoy 100% of your own ownership of your own idea. You are an entrepreneur if you create wonders out of very less money. You are not a creative entrepreneur if you are seeking for investors. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on Money is not the target to earn money.